Alright, so today I'm going to solve some LeetCode problems. Just to... What the hell is that? Focus mode, oh it's a layout. It's premium, isn't it? No, it doesn't require premium, interesting. Okay, so like, just to like refresh my TypeScript knowledge, right? Because, I mean, exit focus. I feel like I have an opportunity to get a job on a backend developer role, but in TypeScript, right? Which is like, okay, but I just want to refresh the knowledge, that's it. Okay, so the first problem, you're given to... Let me pull my microphone a little bit closer, actually. You're given two integer arrays, nums1 and nums2, sorted in non-decreasing color order. How did I read it as color? And two integers m and n, representing the number of elements in nums1 and nums2 respectively. Okay. Merge nums1 and nums2 into a single array sorted in non-decreasing order. What does non-decreasing order mean? Like, it can be any order, right? Like, it's like everything except decreasing. It's not ascending order. Or does it mean by like ascending order by that? Because it's so weird. The final sorted array should not be returned by the function, but instead be stored inside the array nums1. To accommodate this, nums1 has a length of m plus 1, where the first m elements denote the elements that should be merged, and the last n elements are set to 0 should be ignored. Nums2 has a length of n, okay. 1, 2, 3. So they are ascending, right? They are. 2, 5, 6. Okay. Okay. I mean, how I would do it? Nums. Oh, wait, it's Go. My bad. TypeScript. The problem is the same, right? Yeah. Modify nums1 in place instead. Okay, nums1. Can I get autocomplete, please? Okay, I guess I'll have to do it differently. nvim tmp main.ts, let's do it that way. Let's copy. Notifier expected. nums1 dot add concat combines two or more arrays. That's what I need. This method returns a new array without modifying any existing arrays. Okay, that's not what I need. I mean, I can just assign. Copy within returns the object after copying a section of the array identified by the start and end to the same array starting as the position target. Wait, what? Target number, start number, end number. Huh? Okay, I guess I can see it. And there's every filter find includes the index of join. Adds all the elements of an array into a string separated by the specified. Okay, yeah, I see. Keys, what's index of? Map, pop, push, reduce, right, reverse, shift, slice, sum, sort, splice. Wait, remove elements? No, that's not what I need. That's it. Okay, then it's concat, right? Items. So it's gonna be nums2, right? Just like that. The nums1 dot sort. Compare, yeah. So it's A, B. How do I do it? A less than B, I guess. This one's set a multi-parameter number. Oh, number. A minus B. How do I do that? How do I test? Run, I guess. Output expected. Why? Wait, actually, can I do it that way? Like, it's wait. Variables cannot be applied to that. Okay, can't. I can do that. Maybe. Array dot apply bint call from create an array from an array like object is array the name of prototype the string. Okay, that's it. Combines two or more arrays. This method returns a new array without modifying an existing array. Modifying any existing arrays, yeah. Oh, I can't reassign it? Is that the problem? GS. Connect to arrays, I don't know. Concat, yeah. That's what I'm doing. nums1. These are like entries, but it will not give me access, right? Set. It will not work that way, yeah. Modify array in place. For each series, there is like no other way to do it. For the type map. For each. Wait. So if index is less than I need, I just keep it. I mean, yeah, it will work. Just replace values in array. Okay, let's just go with the most straightforward solution. For each value index array. If index is less than m, continue. Else nums1. Oh, actually I can just do map, right? And it's not a go. Okay. And here just the value equals nums2 and no wait, index. What am I doing? Wait, I can't do it that way? Okay, let's do it other way around then. Okay, and don't start for now, let's just go like that. This one is so weird. Zero, one. Output 0. Is it even possible? Translate, yeah. Can I even wait? Map value index. Let's do it other way around. Will it work? Yeah, it does work. For each. Oh, it should return, not modify, right? That's the point of map. Doesn't matter. Actually more equal, right? Actually more equal. Undefined. Wow. 0, 0. Output expected. Wait, how does it expect to here? Oh, because they started, yeah, my bad. They started. Yeah, makes sense. How is it undefined? Wait. Nums to index. Oh, yeah, my bad. Actually, my bad. Index minus M. Yeah, makes sense. Damn, that was hilarious. Okay, good. Now let's sort them. Nums1 sort AB A minus B. Source will like modify, yeah, submit. Where's the solutions? Also submissions. No, that's like not what I want. Solutions. TypeScript. What am I? TypeScript. Oh, just a loop? So there's like... No, I thought like... I really thought TypeScript is like really abstract language, so there is like... There's definitely gonna be a function which will allow a message which... Yeah. Anyway. Is a different problem. Okay, let's just not over-engineer things, really, like... Let's just use regular loops and so on. Remove element. Given an integer array nums and an integer value, remove all occurrence of value in nums in place. The order of the elements may be changed. The return then returns the number of elements in nums which are not equal to value. So I have to just remove, and the number of removed is like sounds really easy. How do I like do iteration loop in JavaScript? Iter loop. For in or something like that. While. Come on, give me. For off, yeah. There is for off and for in, which I'm not really... Like, I'm not sure what is the difference. One allow modifies to modify the item and the other one doesn't, if I'm not mistaken. For off, okay. Okay, kinda makes sense. Let num of nums if num equals value. Num equals 0. Oh, I have like delete them. Not replaced, right? Or it doesn't matter. Okay. Type string is not assignable to type number. Oh, because it's, yeah, it's TypeScript. Let's go. It's 3-2, expected to. Huh? Wait, what? And how do I like... Why array becomes shorter? Wait, what? I do not delete any values. Do I? I just set them to 0. Wait, it's so weird. Or is it because it's a different kind of output? Zero, 1, 2. Fuck, wait, what? Nums volume, output 5. Nums. What is even that? Like, where is counter? Where is like... Let's read it once again. Given an integer array nums and an integer val, remove all occurrence of val in nums in place. Yeah, the order of the elements may be changed. Then returns the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val. Oh, which are not equal to val. Oh, so I return len, right? How do you do it? Length, I guess. That's how you do it in JavaScript. Okay, we are getting closer, I guess. In. Let value of iterable value plus console. Oh, it's console log. It's not what. Yeah. Because the type string and number have no overlap. Wait, what? Why is it string? Okay, you know, wait. I want to, like, how do you do loops? Like, not regular loops. Not C++, like, not C-like loops. Like for in. Console log property, object property. For in, statement iterates over all enumerable string properties of an object. Oh, so it's like, okay, I see, so it's not for array. For array you use for off, and for off it doesn't modify. Okay. Actually, nums equals nums filter, isn't it? Returns the elements of an array that means that, yeah. And here I just do like what? Value index v v not equal val. Output 3. Why? How does it even work? The first is value, right? Not index. Not equal 0. Yeah, makes sense. So everything that not equals 0 is here. Not equals volume. Zero, 1, 2, 2, 3. Huh? There's the elements of an array that meet the condition specified in the callback function. Index array overload. No way, I just like I just gonna like write regular loop and it's gonna work. I'll just go crazy, really. For let I equal 0 less than yeah, and here if nums finally it works. Now I have to figure out how to delete it. Is there a native way? Like, I guess the best approach I can do is just like delete and take the last one instead, right? But maybe there is like a better way. JS delete volume from array. Find the index on array element index one, then remove that index with splice. I feel like it's gonna be resource intensive actually. But okay. Splice. Index 1. Oh, it's not index, it's I. Right. Okay, this one is done. What about this one? 1, 2, 3. Oh, you know why? Because, yeah. Oh, this actually could also be the problem in the previous one. But it should not. Like, filter assumes that like it will check every number, right? I minus minus. That should probably fix it. Here we go, submit. It's the best format? Well, okay. So I guess like you just always use arrays, right? Arrays, what am I saying? You just always use regular loops. What's the point of these methods then? TypeScript. Yeah, pretty much the same. Oh. Huh? No, this one is complicated. Why would you do it that way? Okay. Oh, have I closed it? I actually don't need it. To be frank. Stuff study plan. No thanks. Remove duplicates from sorted array. So it's like a set. Given an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order. Why does it call it not non-decreasing order? Why not ascending order? It's like so weird. Remove the duplicates in place such that each unique element appears only once. The relative order of the element should be kept the same. Then returns the number of unique elements in nums. Consider the number of unique elements of nums to be k. To get accepted, you need to do the following steps. Change the array nums such that the first k elements of nums contain the unique elements in the order they were present in nums initially. The remaining elements of nums are not reported as well as the size of... Wait, whoa? Oh yeah, it's like in other words, right? Good array, expected answers with correct length. Code implementation. Okay, so, what I can do? Basically. Uniqueness, right? Are they already sorted? Wait. Oh, they already sorted. Wait. Wait, it should be so easy. 4. Damn, I don't like not having any syntax highlight, any autocomplete, anything. Syntax highlight is there, my bad, it's not what I meant. I meant autocomplete. 4? Can I get F4? I? Fuck? 4? I? Nums? Equals 1 actually. Here, if nums.len, wait, what am I doing? Equals 1. Let's equal than 1. Return nums.len. Do I have to return the amount of numbers changed? Or like left? Can actually scale it a lot. Okay, if nums I minus 1 equals nums I, then nums, let's splice, I 1, right? I minus minus. Okay. The return number. Wait, then returns the number of unique elements in nums. Yeah, exactly what I'm doing here. Nice. Whoa, why is it so slow? TypeScript. Best solution ever. TypeScript. Index. Exactly what I'm doing. Almost. Why is it doing like this indexing? Just return the line. Like really. I mean, it's JavaScript. Oh, is it like for consistency? Because it's like they're doing it everywhere. But you can do like in goals. Yeah. Let's see where you need it. It's so weird. Like, it's not idiomatic TypeScript solution, right? Oh, here we go. TypeScript only. Oh, new set. Oh, yeah. Num length 0. Nums push temp. Oh yeah. Interesting approach. I thought we were supposed to modify it in place, but it does work and doesn't exceed the time complexity, bro. That's like why is this like how I imagine JavaScript code, right? Every time I okay, let's just proceed to the next problem. Right? Remove duplicates from sorted array 2. Given an integer array nums. Oh, so I guess I can like leave it as it is. In non-decreasing order, remove some duplicates in place, such that each unique element appears at most twice. The relative order of elements should keep the same. So it's the same, but like, do not allocate extra space for another array. You must do this by modifying the input array in place. Okay, so it's sorted, right? And I have to do it in place. So what I can do? Like, just my first feeling, right? Yeah. It should work. I don't know, like, I feel like it should work. Hello, Ankatama. Hello, how are you doing? We are solving some LeetCode problems today. Okay, let's check. 1 million solution, right? Even less, like, what I use 10 seconds for that. Let's see if it actually works. Yep, here we go. It was way too easy. Next. Majority element. Given an array nums of size n, returns the majority element. What is majority element? It's like the biggest one. The majority element is the element that appears more than. Oh, I see. It's like more than half of the numbers, right? We may assume that the majority element always exists in an array. Okay. I mean, the first approach is like to just count the occurrence of each number, right? Oh, actually it's so much easier. I just sorted. Nums sort. Actually, why am I doing it here? Nums sort A, B. Right? Then it doesn't matter in which order do I sort it. Absolutely doesn't. A minus B. Right? And then what am I doing? I'm just going return nums dot len divided by 2. Oh, it's JavaScript's not gonna work that way, right? It's like, how do I, is sale mass sale, right? Not sale. Or is it sale? Sale for up, right? Round, I guess. Divided by, what am I doing? Wait, nums len divided by 2. Should work. I hope. Hopefully it will work. Here we go. Wait, what? Oh, 1. Undefined. Huh, wait. So it's floor. Yeah, it's actually a floor, like. Why am I testing this one? I should have immediately sent it to submit. Actually, let me change the track. Okay, next. It's going pretty good. Given that the array nums rotates the array to the right by key steps, where key is non-negative. Okay, I see. Yeah, that's interesting. Then how would you do that? I guess the quickest solution is just like take first 3, right? Allocate them in another array, move these 4 at the start, and get these 3 back at the end, right? Oh no, it's not gonna work this way. I should reverse them, right? Wait. The last 3? Wait. One goes here, then here, then here. One is force, yeah, that makes sense. Oh, so like other way around, yeah, I'm taking the last three, I'm moving them at the end, and all the others I move forward. Right? Will it work that way? Don't return any modified nums in place. Is there like any limitations to if I can create? Could you do it in place? Oh, in place with O1 extra space. Fuck. Okay, let's think. Let's think. Try to come up with as many solutions as you can. There are at least 3 different ways to solve this problem. I feel like doing it in place should be so slow. Like, I mean, not in place, like without allocating anything else. Nums. Shift, what does shift does? Removes the first element from an array and returns it. If the array is empty, undefined is returned and the array is not modified. For green. Okay, let's just use regular cycles because like regular loops, because I just feel safe that way. Fuck, what am I doing? Undo. For I less than k, right? No, nums. Going here. What am I doing here? Nums. Append. Is there like append? There should be. Add concat. Probably concat, right? I just pass one value. Join keys. Map pop. Removes the last element from an array and returns it. Push. Appends new element to the end of an array and returns the new length of the array. Reduce. Code specified callback function. Fuck. Reduce, right? Reverse shift. Removes the first element from an array and returns it. Slice. Is there like inverse of shift? Like to push it? Slice some sort. Slice. JS inverse of dot push. Pop. Is a pop method in JavaScript like the opposite of push? It takes the last. Not in that way. JS add element to start. There is no such method? Unshift? I mean, yeah, it makes sense, but it's kind of inconsistent. Pop unshift, yeah. Why is it like... So it's like pop and push, right? But then it's like shift and unshift. Why it's not like push and unpush? I don't know, this like naming is just so weird. Okay, nums, unshift, nums, pop, right? Remove the last element, yeah. Wait, do I need to pass anything else? Type or undefined? I guess that's it? Maybe. Yeah, I guess. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, what am I doing wrong? Inserts new element at the start of an array and returns the new len of an array. Yeah, so remove the last element. So it's like they all modify array in place, right? So we're taking the last and pushing it like to the beginning. Isn't like, wait, what the hell is that? Quit. Insert new element at the start of an array and return the new len of an array. Yeah. Should I do it that way? Element of type number array is not assignable. Parameter of type number. Okay. But like, it says here, oh, it's because there are 3 dots. Okay, it makes sense. It's spreaded, right? Remove the last element from an array and returns it if the array is empty. Yeah, like it all should just make sense, isn't it? Case declared by solid never read. What is k actually? Where k is not negative. Rotate the array to the right by k. Oh, I'm doing it. I'm doing the full cycles, that's the problem. Yeah, actually that's like was so obvious. How have I like submit? Please work. Yay. Okay, this was funny. The worst solution, but okay, let's move on. Like, I would really just take a piece and then just like move all the other and insert this piece at the end, or like other way around, it doesn't matter. Best time to buy and sell stock. Wow, you are given an array prices, my bad, where prices I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Okay, so it's just like minimum and maximum, right? We're doing the maximum. Yeah, but like minimum should be before the maximum, right? It's like in particular order. I find maximum and then I just like take the slice from the start of the array to the maximum and finding the minimum in that range. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from the transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. So 7, 1, 5, 3, 6, 4, output 5. Buy on day 2, 1. And sell on day 5, 6. Yeah, okay, let's do it. I feel like I can solve it. How do I find maximum? Is there like a built-in function in JavaScript for that? GS find max value in array. There should be mathmax. It can take array, right? Yeah, it can. It can. I just have to spread it. Oh yeah, it makes sense. Like max just takes arbitrary amount of inputs, right? Math. Oh, I need an index, right? Yeah, that's the problem. Actually, it's kind of a problem. I need an index. I don't need the value. Okay, I guess let's just like plainly do an iteration, right? Why am I even doing that? Just like iterate through it. Prices. Max. Yeah, but like, I guess it will not work, right? Because I need the index. I mean, at least I can imagine how I will make it work. So, first of all, let peak. What is the antonym of peak? Peak 0? Bottom? Like, it's not. Wait, it's peak in that way, right? No. Yes, this one peak. Like in a game. Peak antonym. Bottom. Nadir. So. Okay, you know, I won't like just like. I'll stop being way too creative with it. Min actually should be really huge. Is there like max value? GS. Is there no max value for? There is no max value, right? Are they positive? Are they all positive? They're probably, yeah, they are stocks, right? They can be negative. Can they? Min -1. Pam. If we're going through everything, right? Prices I is I think I probably can do that in one way. I have to like go through the array twice, right? To get the max value and then to get mean value before the max value. Or I can store two mean values, it's also actually gonna work, right? And then I can like go through the array only one time, yeah. It can work. If prices I more than max... Oh, actually let me... Can I like create them in line? Yeah. Max index equals 0. And index equals 0. Wall is... I don't really like this formatting, but okay. More than max, then max equals... Actually no, I want to do it that way, const p equals prices I. If p more than max, max equals p. Max that max index. Let's go next. I need two minimums, right? Two mins. If p is if price less than min, or min equals -1, min equals. Okay, now it works. However, I need to find minimum before the maximum. Let's duplicate it. Before min before max. So how it's gonna work? Actually, how it's gonna work? We save the min. Okay, so we save the min, right? And the moment we reach new maximum, we are going here and making that min before max equals current min. I should actually just create structures, but whatever. Min before max index equals min index. Yeah. Yeah, it should work, I guess. Yeah, it should work. Seems like it should be enough. Let's check it out. And so I return the max minus min. Oh wait, it's indexes? Yeah, but yeah, I return the values before max. Okay, copy. Let's see. Output 8. The fuck? Wait, how is it 8? Output 8. Huh? What? How is it 8? How can you possibly get 8 here? Okay, this one's kind of frustrating. Okay, we're going through everything. Price. If we meet the max index, right? Well, let me read one more time. So we're finding the lowest one, the maximum one, and we just subtract them, right? 6 minus 1. Yep. Do I really need indexes? Yeah, I need them here. Wait, no, wait. Actually, no, I should do it other way around. I should check for minimum first. Yeah, I guess should be reasonable. I'm not sure if there's a problem, but I just want to check it out. I don't really think it's gonna fix it. Okay, this one is fixed. It's fixed, right? But why? 0. You know how I can do it? You know how I can do it, actually? I can just do it so much easier. Like, I just don't care about things, right? Way too much. Second loop, delete this magic. Delete this magic. Find max first. Use this one directly here. Just like that. Remove this. Go like that. Do I need indexes? Probably not, right? Wow, how much simpler it is. I can even do it that way here. And hopefully it should work. I would want to check this one first, actually, not gonna lie. Actually, you know, I can do it other way around. I can just like go prices 0. And here prices 0. And then I don't need this check. Right? But however, I have to make sure that len is not 0. If it's probably won't be 0, right? Yeah, it probably won't be 0 because like it breaks everything. Let's run. The fuck? How am I doing that? How is this one can be wrong? From 0? Oh, I see, of course, it's so obvious. How is it run? Yeah, so I need index here. I guess I need index here. X index. X index equals I. Just like that. And hopefully this one will work. Hell nah. 0. Oh, actually it's the same, it fails the same way it was failing previously. That's so interesting. Considering they are both 0, I guess it will just always return 0, and I guess it means they always just meet at the same point. Right? Something like... It just feels that way. Okay, this one makes sense. I guess, yeah, it should make sense. If price I plus, yeah, more than max, we save it. Max index equals I. And we're doing this until we find the maximum value. We're doing the same, but from I to max index. It should make sense, right? It should make sense. No way it doesn't. Then, if price I less than min, yeah, save it. Okay, I don't get it. Why it doesn't work? Actually, let's try it other way around. I'm not sure if it's gonna fix, but I just... Oh, I index, that's interesting. This one is interesting. Wait. Wait, how do I type this? It's so ridiculous. Main index. Prices. Max index. Prices. Prices, max index, minus main index. Copy. Damn, I'm getting the same errors, it's so frustrating. Why? There is definitely something I miss. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Returns the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. Yeah. You know what I wanna do? You know what I wanna do? Console.log. How do I do that? Max index, main index. I guess that's it. I don't need more. Then I'm doing that way, inspect. Console. Oh, hell, what the... Wait. Oh, it's because I'm using Brave. Okay, interesting. Clear. I can clear it? Okay, I don't really care if I can't. Don't paste. I wanna paste. Man, don't do that to me. Can I... Yeah, I can. Don't paste code into the DevTools console that you don't understand. The code allow... Please type allow passing. Allow passing. Cut syntax error. Expect token. The fuck? Wait. Max profit. Huh? Wait, what? Oh, because it's TypeScript. My bad. You can clear it, just use icon below device icon. This one? Clear console. Oh, thank you, thank you. It's... Thanks. So much better now. At least I can breathe, I don't know. Max profit. Fuck. Tab doesn't work? How do you... Tab. Okay, now it works. Have I pressed enter or something? Prices. 0, 0. Why is it 7 then? It should be like B0, isn't it? Oh, what a... That's so stupid. Paste. Prices. Okay, this one solved. Let's solve. Why do we get both zeros? I equals 0. Yeah. I less than prices len. Yeah. Actually, let me... What's the signature number? It's called signature, right? It's probably called signature. Right? If prices I more than prices at max index. Max index equals I. Yeah, it makes so much sense. Like, it's letter, right? It's not a constant. How? Oh, how am I keeping doing that? Like, I have both max here. Like, it's just, they're just typos. Like, how How? Why it's always that? Why I always seek for like errors in the logic and they're always typos, always. Okay, maybe not always, but like often. 0, 0. Oh, my bad, actually. That not allowed icon. Yeah, it's actually kind of weird. Why would you use like block icon for clear the console? 0. Okay, we got to the same problem. Let's yank clear paste. Like if it's okay, is this okay for like I will redefine it, right? It should work. Makes perfect. Oh, what have I can't. Okay. Let's do it that way. Fuck. Max index. Min index. Yeah. 0, 0. So they do not increase. Oh. It's so frustrating. Hell no. Don't say that. Still the same. Hell no, wait. Okay, max, min. Actually, I can rename them, right? Because like there are no longer non-index, like they're all indexes, right? I can just use max and min. It's gonna be a little bit more readable. Max. Yeah, I guess it makes sense. Min. Yeah. It should make sense. So max here, we're going through the whole array. We're going till max. And we check if the one we look at is smaller than current minimum. And then we save it to minimum. Yeah. So what is the problem? 0 here, 0 here. So it's still like doesn't iterate further. So, is there a way to see like variables without? Probably not. Without writing console log. Max min. Zero, 0. Min price equals price less than min price else price. Wait. If price less than min price, then it equals price else min price. Yeah, but like this isn't this what I'm doing? Min price. Like if current price is less than the minimal price. Minimum price equals current price. Else it doesn't change, so it's like the same as you do. So like else min price equals min price. Current price less than our current minimal price. Then we assign minimal to current price, yeah. For min you should use largest number infinity. Why so? Why so? Like it's the first idea I would want to use, right? But like it should work that way too. Because like, actually it's like, you should not, because like it will not allow, it will work poorly with, like if we're choosing the first element, right? If there are no bigger numbers, it's gonna be the minimum. If there are smaller numbers, it's gonna be replaced. 0 always lower, but it don't guarantee it. But it's not 0. Wait, it is 0. How am I doing? Wait. No, wait, it's okay. Wait, my bad. It's okay. We're comparing not 0. We're comparing not 0, right? We're comparing prices at the location of 0, right? Which is like 7. So 7 is the minimum right now. Right? It should make sense. It should work that way. Right? Like, our maximum and minimum is the very first item in the array. It should make sense. Like, it's absolutely... Could you, please, give me a clue on where the mistake is without fixing the bug? Yes. Temperature 0.7. Run. Let's just use one loop for now. But it's like not gonna work, isn't it? Like we have to find minimum before maximum, right? So we like have to iterate not the whole length, but only to the max. I mean, we can, but it's like... We can try it out, right? But it should not work. Yeah, I guess it's pretty good. Six. For let price of prices? Yeah, I thought about this, but like, I don't know, like, it feels like I can modify them in place, right? Like, make price assign. You think that's like, this logic can be flat, right? It's just I equals 0, I less, I plus plus, like, how it can be flat, right? I mean, that's pretty much the same. Here's who. Think about what happens with input. Second one is just like identical input, isn't it? It is. Where was? Trace the value of your max variable after the first loop finishes. What does a specific value mean? What does the specific value mean for the second loop? Oh yeah, I see. It's not gonna work. Yeah, because 7. Yeah, my like initial understanding of how it works is like it doesn't work, right? It doesn't work because 7 is greater than 6. Max is never gonna be changed from 7, right? That's the problem. Yeah. Fuck yeah. So I have to like, I can find first and then like from that find the second one. I just can't. Maybe I can actually. No, probably can't. I thought I can like find the very maximum and very minimum and then just like do the same thing from those two, right? And choose the best option, but I guess I can't. It's an easy problem, like no... what am I, like... The fuck? Constraints. That should be like such an obvious solution, wait. I can compare like n square, right? So like check every number. It's way too silly. Actually? No. Wait, it's not gonna work. It's still in square. Maybe, actually, maybe. Wait. Profit equals what? 0. If more than profit equals return profit. Yeah, I guess it's in the end it always was a single loop. Was it? Was it? Fuck, it wasn't. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Actually, I can't fix it. I can fix it. And min is less than max. Right? It's 6 because it's like 7 minus 1, right? That's why it's 6. But we can't do it. We can't. The minimum always should be first. Okay, now it's 0. Fuck, it's the same problem, like... Okay, let's console log it. Min, actually min, max, profit. Oh, my bad. Why we still don't have TypeScript runtime? It's like so obvious. 1, 0, 0. How max is Yeah, it makes sense. I just don't know obvious naive solution. Like, it's easy, no, like, I don't, like, it should be so easy, it's like... And I'm running out of time because, like, I have to go soon. Should I just ask Gemini to explain? It feels like she... Maybe I should just, like, leave it for now and then just, like, solve it. Wait. Wait. Will it work that way? Prices.len? I more than 0? I minus minus. Oh, is it? It still doesn't work, wait. Output 0. Oh, yeah, because I need 2 loops for that. But it's not gonna work. Okay, it's actually gonna work. I can do it. Wait. Will it? Yeah, it should. No, it will not. Maybe, okay, I can just try it, like, right? I still can try it. Prices land minus I. I don't think it's gonna work, but at this point. Yeah, it doesn't work. It absolutely it changes nothing. I have to think differently. Actually, you know, I probably don't need... I don't need max. You know what I can do? I just can go here. I can go price I minus min more. Price I. Please work, please work, please work. It should work. Tell me it works. Yeah, it works! No way, it was so easy. Damn, it's insane how like my brain just refused to like think in that way, right? It was so obvious. And still I was so blind, right? Yeah, pretty good. I'm satisfied. And I guess that's it for the day. I have to run.